The Graphic Touchscreen Keypad is designed to be the most secure and attractive security keypad on the market. And while it can be used to program Z-Wave devices and set zones, the most important aspect of your touchscreen keypad is how easy it is to manage the security of your home. In this video, we will cover how to arm and disarm your system, the differences between home, sleep, away, and all perimeter. Next, we will cover how proximity cards and fobs can make the arming and disarming process much quicker. We will also cover important features like instant arm, easy exit, and how the entry and exit delay works. Finally, we will cover the panic buttons and how they can be a real lifesaver. To arm your security system, simply press the shield in the center of the keypad display, choose an arming option, and that's it. Your system's arming process has begun, and you may carry on with peace of mind. It's that simple. The Arming Options menu will provide you with options based on how your system was set up. Arming menu options are All Perimeter and Home Sleep Away. If your system is set up as All Perimeter, your burglary protection is divided into two areas, interior and perimeter. When you arm as all, both interior and perimeter are armed. When perimeter is armed, only the exterior doors and windows are secured, allowing for free movement throughout the premises. If your system is programmed for home sleep away, your burglary protection is divided into either 2 or 3 areas: perimeter, interior, and bedrooms. Home arming means that you are staying inside, but you want to make sure that the exterior of your home, such as doors and windows, are secure. If you arm your system for sleep, all areas are secure, but it allows you free movement in or around the bedrooms or sleeping areas. When armed away, the entire system is armed for total security coverage. Once you arm the system, it ensures that all doors and windows are closed and ready to be secured. If a door is left open, the system won't arm until that door is closed, or you take further action. If such a problem exists, that zone can be bypassed for the time being, or you can force arm that zone, which will secure that zone when and if that door or window closes during the armed period. Once all bypasses or corrections are made, the system will arm and an armed message will appear. This message may vary based on your system's current armed setting. In order to allow time to exit the premises before the system arms, there is an exit delay timer that begins a countdown. If you exit and then re-enter the building before the timer ends, the timer will restart. Your system also allows instant arming, which, when activated, will immediately arm your system, bypassing the exit timer. The Graphic Touchscreen Keypad comes loaded with great features right out of the box, and a built-in proximity reader makes arming and disarming a breeze. Simply touch your proximity credentials to the light at the top of your alarm system to arm or disarm without having to stop and enter a passcode. A tone will signify that your keypad has read your proximity credentials, and your light will briefly change color. Remote key fobs can also be used to quickly arm and disarm your system from hundreds of feet away. Once you have armed your system with the key fob, a red LED 2-second acknowledgement indicates that the system is armed. If only some areas are armed, a red and green LED acknowledgement indicates that the system is on. When the system has been disarmed, a green LED acknowledgement will be shown. Some of the most important features of the touchscreen keypad are the easy-to-access panic buttons. If enabled, you can find the panic buttons on the carousel menu. Simply press and hold the desired shield to alert the security company.